Lessons with Prachiti. In this video, I am going to talk about JavaScript. JavaScript was developed by Bridge in 1995, which appeared in Netscape. The language was initially called LiveScript and was later renamed as a JavaScript. Now let's see what is JavaScript. JavaScript, it is a scripting language. It is used both on the client side and the server side. It allows you to make a web pages interactive. JavaScript works with HTML and CSS to build web apps or web pages. It is supported by most of the web browsers like Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera. Now, the question is, are the JavaScript and Java the same? Okay, so let me tell you, don't get confused between JavaScript and Java. JavaScript and Java are very much unrelated. Java is object-oriented programming language and have a virtual machine platform that allows you to create compiled programs that run on nearly every platform. Whereas JavaScript is a lightweight programming language, or simply you can say scripting language, and it is used to make your web pages interactive. Now let's see how JavaScript works. Suppose we have browser here, or you can say this is the client, or this can be any browser. As we know, JavaScript was created as a client-side scripting language. Today, however, it is used at a server side as well. This is just an example how JavaScript run on a client side. Now consider server here. When client sends request to the server respond that with a response. Okay, so now let's look at the example. So I have created a notepad file and I have written a simple HTML code. Here I have created HTML tag, head tag, title tag, then body tag. Okay, so under this body tag you can write whatever content you want to display on your web page. So here I have written page content. Now for script creation you have to create a tag, script tag, and in that script tag we just forwarded slash with script. Now inside this body tag I have written my JavaScript. You can see I have written console.log. This is a JavaScript statement. This function prints welcome to the console. So this welcome is the message. Now save this file with HTML extension. Close that file, and now here you can see demo1. Just open this file. See, so here you can see the message which I was written in the body part. Now to check the JavaScript running on a client side, just right click on this page, click on this inspect, then go to this console app option. So here you can see your JavaScript is running. So this is the JavaScript is running at a client side. Now let's see another way to write JavaScript. So you can create a JavaScript separately. So for that I have created a new text file and here I have written JavaScript code. Okay, so this console.log is my JavaScript code. Now you can save this file with .js extension. So just save this file with welcome.js, save it, close it. Okay, so here you can see your JS file, JavaScript. Then write your HTML code in another text file. So you can see the HTML tag, head tag, title tag, body tag. Now there is a script. As I have created JavaScript separately, so I have to give the location, because this HTML file and JavaScript file both are on the same location. I do not have to give complete path. I can just give file name with welcome.js. Now save this file with HTML extension. Close it. And now you can see this is your HTML file, right? So just open this file. Okay. So here you can see the page content. Now again right click on it, inspect, and go to console. So you can see your JavaScript. You can see now this is a running from JavaScript file. Okay, so this is how JavaScript runs on a browser.